Hello, students and professionals. Let's welcome back. Another important tip for you. Okay, what is the topic today? Can can you or can I? I forgotten to mention the letter. Can you or can I able to find the moment type against the sales order? If you say where is in SAP? Okay, so let's talk about that. First thing, like where you can able to find moment type in sales order. Probably you may argue with me. Hey boss, we cannot able to find the moment type in sales order, only in delivery. Go to administrative data. There you can able to find your delivery document and moment type, and it is available in the scheduling category in configuration. What are you talking? Is it available in sales order? I will prove you. Okay. So let's go to the SAP for this. This is just a tip. Don't worry about that. If you don't know, also it doesn't make any difference. If you are also little mad about to learn new things, let's get into the focus. Okay. So let's go to here, sales order, and give this. Let's give the material. Okay. Search for tabs straight away. If you go to the schedule lines, hey, I found CP and schedule in category. Where is the moment type? Okay. Just go to the procurement. You can able to see this. You have a sales, shipping, and procurement tab. You can able to find the moment type which is going to trigger in your delivery based on the schedule and category which is got determined. Okay, it's just for information. If you really like this video, you can like it, and if you'd like to subscribe my YouTube channel, you can subscribe it. And if you really wanted to have a better learning in your career, currently I'm holding 5,000 plus students and people showing a lot of interest. This is my SAP SD course. Out of 143 reviews, it stood at 4.6. Leave about some students. They have their one way. I cannot able to satisfy 100%. Probably I can able to satisfy 98% of the students who can walk into my courses. And if you really planning for the job, and if you have that seriousness, and better subscribe this course for idocs learning. In those days, it was not available. I'm just exploring my knowledge, and it's for you. You can try this course for learning idoc with 5 scenarios and how to write a functional specification. And initial day, I also find little difficulty to handle this. I'm just giving you here. Just please try to utilize my courses. If you have a little common sense, if you attended a few interviews, and obviously out of 10 questions, at least 3 questions will be on pricing. If you would like to get up to the mark for your interview and your practice and your practical work, better try this basic course. And after that, if you are mad about pricing like me, get into the depth in standard. This is one of the course which is recorded in S4 HANA. Yeah, all these are the different courses, and I give an introduction about your business partner, learning 3 scenarios I have explained, and business partners in ECC S4 HANA. You better do all these courses so that it will give an edge for you in entry board. I have given certain standard concepts also. Like if you see this loan payment, I explained with 3 scenarios. And apart from that, I have given planned abroad solution. This is for European projects. Just try to learn more things so that you can come back in your life, whether it is interview or else it's a job practice for you in real time. Okay, I think you got what I'm going to say is just go to the procurement. You can able to see this. Okay, this is what I would like to show you. Probably you can try. Probably let's give a try here only for returns. Let's see this. So, okay, let's click here. Go to there is the schedule line data and go to the procurement. You can able to see this is blunder. CP is coming. Okay, someone has wrongly determined. Let's change it to this one is DN for returns. Someone has made something. How come 10 is coming for returns? Let me go back. Let me check. Someone has spoiled the system. Let's check year 01. So, okay, we forgotten to give the RE document. This is the bare mistake. Okay. It's my bad. Okay. Let's choose any order reason, no issues. Let's take the material now. It's my mistake. I have forgotten to choose the document type different way. Go to the schedule lines. Okay, TN, no issues. And let's go to the moment type 653. This is how you can able to learn. You can check other document types like based on item category determination, the assigned schedule and category. Try to pull the respective what I would say moment type. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Jai Bharat. Have a great day.